Hello! Today's video is inspired by the Murillo Twins. If you don't know who they are, go check them out on YouTube. They're very awesome and funny vloggers. Basically, they're the definition of Insta Baddie. I love their makeup and I'm literally obsessed with them right now, so I decided to do a video. For this one, I wanted to use my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. The one I'm using is in shade Buff. It's a little darker than my own skin tone at this time, but I figure it will go perfectly. I'm going with a lighter concealer to highlight some points of my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one has very high coverage. You can put many layers and it will not look cakey. I do seem to like this one better than the 16-hour Camo Concealer, which I believe was the first one. That one came off a little too dry for me. To bronze up my face, I really went kind of heavy with the bronzer, if you can tell. Yeah, it came off really strong, but once it's all over, once my face is all done, it kind of comes together, I promise. I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I love this Essence Brighten Up powder. It's literally like a banana powder and it just like makes everything stand out even more. For my eyebrows, I've been using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Shape and Fill brows. I like that it has a thicker tip, so since I have a lot of eyebrow hairs, it just gets the job done faster and I don't really need to be super precise. That's not usually the look I was going for or that I go for, although for this video I should have, because the Murillo Twins have very nice brows. It's one of the best things about their makeup to me is their brows. There's always some sort of interruption in my videos, I swear. But it's a welcoming one, okay? For the eye look, I'm literally just using some nudes. I love this look because you literally just need to bronze up your eye, essentially, and it will look very nice. It looks like you tried really hard, but it's really just some brown shadow on your crease and some light shimmery color in the center, just to make your eyes pop even more. And I'm using this very old Too Faced palette that came in a holiday collection. I'm not sure what collection that was. I believe it's from 2 years ago. For the liquid eyeliner, I'm using the Sephora Felt Tip Liner. This guy goes for about $10 or $11, I believe. It's the Sephora brand and it's very nice. I know a lot of people that use it. My sister got me to use it. The wing came out a little thick for her. You know, you can never just plan how your wing is gonna go. I feel like, I mean, if you can, like, congratulations, you mastered makeup. If you don't have this ABH blush palette, then I mean, you probably have a lot of single ones, and for what? Like, I'm just blending out the bronzer and the blush with the Brighten Up Essence powder that I used earlier for my eyes to set the concealer. I find that it really does a good job at bringing everything together. And for the lashes, I believe these are just some Ardell Wispy lashes, but the thicker kind, if that makes sense. What are they called again? Hold on. They're in the style 817. If anybody recommends a nice eyelash glue, I would really appreciate it. One that preferably dries faster than normal. The NYX Cosmetics lip liners are really nice. I've been using them since forever and they have so many colors and very affordable. I just really like their style. The liquid lipstick was by NYX as well. It's the lingerie line, I believe. It's like a soft matte look in one of the lighter shades. But even then, I guess they weren't light enough, so I put a little bit of concealer on my lips just to blend out everything together, and went in with the liner again just to darken it up one more time. It's like a back and forth. Well, that was pretty much for the look. It's a very soft matte look, and I hope you guys like this video. If you don't watch their vlogs, you won't know why I'm sticking my tongue out for the camera. It's an inside joke, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and maybe I'll see you in my next video. Bye!